this is a unit review. So we got a unit. You always get a chill day. I'm just going to do a couple of problems and I'll let you guys work on this for a couple of days and maybe we'll do the test. I don't know. What do you want to do test? Wednesday, Thursday? Thursday. This week. Boy, that's like 4 days to do this. I don't think you need 4 days. Let's try Thursday. Okay. All right. Let's do this little chart here. Remember doing the chart, determining if it's a polynomial. What do you have to watch for when determining for a polynomial? What can't you have? A variable in the denominator, right? Let's see, cannot have and the denominator means the bottom of a fraction, okay? All right, now, since you're in Algebra 1, an x doesn't necessarily have to be in the denominator of a fraction, right? Guys, quite tough. You can have negative exponent, right? So if I have x to the negative 1, that means my x is in the denominator of a fraction. So your variables cannot have a negative exponent also. Okay, and that's your variable. I should have put variable there. Variable cannot have a negative exponent. If it's a number, we're okay. If it's a variable, we are not. Okay, and you guys remember the monomial, binomial, trinomial, quartic, quintic? Okay. That's going to be this column here. Okay, if I have one term, it's a monomial, 2 terms, binomial, 3 terms, trinomial. Okay, number 11 here. Looks like I took out a lot of problems for you. Is that a polynomial? Yes. There's no negative exponents on the variables, nor is a variable in the denominator of a fraction. Pick up that work on the corner. On the corner. The other one. That's it. Thank you. Okay, so this is a polynomial. Okay. Now, the degree of the polynomial. Do you remember how you find the degree of each term? No. You add up the exponents, okay, of all the variables. So this is x to the first, this is x to the first, y to the first, z to the first. So the degree here is 1. The degree here is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is going to be 3. How many terms do I have here? 2, so it's going to be a binomial. Okay, number 12, is that a polynomial? It is a polynomial. It happens to be a constant polynomial. So it is a polynomial. There's only one term, so it's a monomial. And what's a degree? What's the degree of my, yeah, 0, right? Because that's x to the 0. 13, is that a polynomial? No, because negative exponent with the variable. If I put variable has, I keep forgetting that. Variable has negative exponent. And 14, is that a polynomial? Yeah, it is. Okay, how many terms, or how many terms do I have? Yeah, we have 3, okay, because we had to combine some terms here. We have to combine the 4x and the 1x and the 2x, right? So we have 9x cubed, the plus 4, plus 5, plus 7x, plus 4. So that's 3 terms. So it's a trinomial. And what's my highest degree for any one term? 3. Okay, this is degree 3, degree 1, degree 0, 3. Okay, you're going to have a chart. You're going to have a chart like this on the test. Number 15. Find the degree of the polynomial. Again, this term y has a 1. This term z has a 1. So add up the exponents of the variable. This has 5 degree. This has 3 degree. And this has 5 degree. So the degree of the polynomial is 5. Write each polynomial in standard form. Standard form means from highest degree to lowest. Stop that. You're going to make me fall asleep. I hear you. Okay, so my x squared goes first. My 5x goes second. And my 6 goes last. Okay, find each sum or difference. Now this is pretty much, I think this is like the test. If I have a plus sign, just drop the parentheses, remember? Here I have a plus sign, so I'm just going to drop the parentheses. X squared plus y squared. Now this is a plus minus, so plus minus x squared plus y squared. Combine my like terms. See, I have an x squared and a negative x squared. Actually, they cancel each other out, right? I have a plus 1y squared, and a plus 1y squared gives me a plus 2y. If I have a minus sign, what do I have to do? Distribute. Okay, nothing going on with these two, but I have to distribute the minus sign. All right, so I have negative times a negative 2x is a positive 2x squared. Negative times a negative 6 is a positive 6. Combine my like terms. 2x squared plus 2x squared is 4x squared. Negative 8 plus 6, negative 2. Is that enough for today? Okay, so whatever problems I didn't do, the ones that I did, you did not have to do, unless you didn't copy them down.